So what are we doing today, Willow?
What?
What are we doing today?
We're going fishing!
Are we going fishing?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
You eating your chips?
Yeah.
You hope to catch a bunch of fish today?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Dad,
What?
I just want to put mine up.
Oh, that's fine.
Daddy, my hat. Dad, my head hurts.
What do you mean your head hurts?
Can I take my coat? Can I take this off, please?
You want to take your hat off?
Yeah, please, my head
Yeah,
hurts.
put it in that pocket over there.
And then I want to take my coat off.
Why, you hot?
Yeah.
Just leave it unzipped like that. Okay, let's see if we can catch you a fishy, okay?
Can I try that one, please, Dad?
We got that one set up for you right there, okay?
Am I losing this one, Dad?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna lose that one. It's little, right, Dad?
Yep.
Wait, Dad.
What?
Last race, was losing that last race,
Yep.
and then Nate was losing that one too, Dad.
Chris. Chris has got a pull like this.
He does.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, did I fish not yet?
No fishes yet.
Not even me either. Dad, is that the fish? Dad, is that the fish? Dad,
Oh, there's a fish right here.
is it coming to mine or to yours?
It's one of mine.
Oh, okay.
Just wait. If I can catch him, you can reel him in, okay?
Hey, Dad.
What?
Daddy,
What?
can we keep the fishies, please?
We have to see how big they are.
Okay. And then we'll put them right by our eyes, right, Dad?
Yeah.
And then I can wiggle his leg. I can't see their tails wag.
Yep.
Like me. I'm looking at my butt. Look, Dad.
Yeah, you wiggling your butt?
Yeah. Why do I put them in there? Why? Dad, I'm thirsty.
Yep, I know. I'm getting your drink out right now.
Look at that.
There you go. You're welcome.
Dad, this says, dear juice, you must have blue juice and red juice. Oh, hey Dad, look. This says, you must have blue juice and red juice. Right, Dad?
Yep.
And remember, you have to close it. You have to close it, right, Dad?
Yes.
Like me. Oh, they caught fish.
No, nothing yet, baby girl.
Oh, darn it. Dad, I scared him, Dad?
What's that?
I scared him?
Nope, not yet.
Okay. Dad, can I hold mine, please?
Yeah, you can hold your pole.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
I'm fishing! Woohoo! Thank you, Dad.
Yep, we gotta get you down the right depth. There you go.
Is this for the real in?
Yeah, don't reel it in yet. I'll let you know when to reel in, okay?
Okay.
Yep, just keep bouncing it like that. Doing a great job.
Look, my hands are so excited.
Yeah, they are. So today was kind of tragically ended. Took my 5-year-old daughter out with me today, and well, didn't go so well. Like, she was having fun and everything, and we missed a couple fish, went to move, and while we were moving, the battery died, obviously, and she was walking next to me and fell in a 10-inch hole that somebody pushed snow back into, and then the wind kind of just blew just enough fresh powder over it so you couldn't see it. So I had to hurry up, pull her out of the hole, run her back to the truck, leave everything on the ice, get her stripped down, get the truck going, and got her up front where the heat was. The truck was still warm, thankfully, and that was pretty much what ended my day. So she sat there and went back on the ice, got my stuff, came back, and then now we're at home, and now she's in the house and warming up, thankfully. But I mean, it could have ended a lot worse. Thankfully it didn't. I mean, I get a 10-inch hole, but at the same time, I don't for this reason. That's why I run a 6-inch hole myself. And other than that, I think it would have been a better day if we could have spent more time. But I mean, I won't know. I'm just fingers crossed it's not going to scare her from going back out, because she was pretty scared, which, you know, I get. You fall in a hole, I get it. Happens. I feel like a horrible dad, I really do. Like, I wish she would have just sat in the sled and I would have pulled her. But I wasn't thinking anything about it. You know, we're on a small pond. It was like maybe an acre, not even an acre, I don't think. I wouldn't think you'd even want a 10-inch hole there. I mean, 6 inches of ice, biggest fish in there is 7-8-inch bluegill. Nothing fancy in that place at all. You know, I get certain places, you know, for pike and bigger fish to run a 10-inch hole, but just not my cup of tea. I like thinking of safety first for the most part. I mean, if it was visible, yeah, it could have been avoided. But I mean, it doesn't help, you know, kicking the slush back in the hole and covering it with snow, because things like this happen. Alright, other than that, thanks for watching the short video. Sorry if this sounded like a rant against 10-inch holes. Just not my cup of tea. Thank you for watching. Hopefully your day gets better.